A 13-year-old charged with killing his mother's fiancé remains in custody tonight, despite his attorney's efforts to get the child released to his family. Keishawn Mann is charged with killing Jermel Stokes in Kent County back in January. 24-hour News 8's Joe LaFurgey was in court today. Joe, is there a chance this may never go to trial?
Interesting you say that, Susie. The prosecutor handling this case confirms there are ongoing talks about a plea deal. Now, the teen's lawyer says, though, it is too early to tell whether a deal can be worked out.
The judge ordered us not to show the 13-year-old's face, but we can show you the orange shirt he wore to court.
Orange shirt is a signal, is a sign that he has been exemplary behavior while in detention.
Police say Keishawn Mann walked up behind Jermel Stokes, his mother's fiancé, and shot him in the back of the head on January 25th. During a February court hearing, a classmate of the teens testified Mann brought a gun to school the day of the shooting, telling that classmate he was going to kill Stokes because he was abusing his mother. He later told a Kentwood police detective the gun went off accidentally. Keishawn is being tried as an adult in juvenile court, which would give the judge more flexibility in sentencing. That's if the case makes it that far.
Do you see this thing getting to trial?
I'd say it's at least 50-50.
The prosecutor confirms there are ongoing talks about a plea deal for the teenager. His age and other factors part of the consideration for any deal. Assistant Kent County Prosecutor Vicki Seidel will not say if that deal could involve jail or prison time.
This is going to be a family determination. They're going to make the determination what's in the best interest of their child, and that we're going to go forward.
One thing is certain, the teen will not be getting out of juvenile detention soon. The judge denied bond, despite a plea from his attorney to allow him to live with his family and attend school while the case moves through the system.
Our position is even if things are as people have alleged, this is a one-time incident. My client is not a danger to himself or the public at large.
Part of the proof, that orange shirt and Mann's history prior to the shooting.
He has no prior history of aggressive acting out or any other indications, anything other than being a normal 13-year-old boy. He's just been a good student, a model son.
He's not a model son. He went within 6 inches of his stepfather's head, pulled the trigger on a gun, and killed him.
Judge also agreed to send Keishawn Mann to the Children's Trauma Assessment Center. That's at Western Michigan University. Johnson says the center will help determine any kind of trauma Keishawn went through prior to and after the shooting. That assessment could help with the teenager's defense. He's due back in court in May.